It's time to do something drastic, something new. Right here and right now, we need to find a way somehow. It's about reaching out, closing up the distance. Instead of hate, celebrate all the ways we're different. I'm optimistic, yes I do believe we have the power to make this world a better place. But if it's ever gonna change, we gotta come together, me and you, in a moment of truth. If it's ever gonna change, we gotta come together, me and you, in a moment of truth. Na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah yeah oh 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 oh, na 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 na, na 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 na, yeah yeah oh 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 oh. It's been way too long. We've been singing that same old song. It works in a certain light, not